Factor tree of 150. So 150, it can be written as 2 times 75. 2 times 75 means 150. Now 75, it can be written as 3 times 25. 3 times 25 means 75. Like as this 25, it can be written as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 means 25. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 3, 5 and 5. So we can write 150 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is this 2 times 3 times 5 and times 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.